everyone, this is Christy. Again, I made something different using the paper pads from Inlovearts, and the papers that I use is from this collection. Look how beautiful. And it comes 5 regular papers and 5 vellum. The regular papers are like this. They are kind of thin, and the vellum papers are beautiful, thick, and it has beautiful images with gold accents. And the size of this is 6 by 6. So I made a box and 4 cards inside. So I use cards and envelopes and cardstock for the box, okay, and also cardstock for the embellishment. As you can see, I use the dies, and all the dies that I use are from Inlovearts, okay. So right here at the front, I use this die right here, okay. You saw in another video with another mini album, and I just put the first one in white and then in gold. Then I use some scraps of the paper that was left, and I made this rosette, and I just put this embellishment on top. And I try to use the minimum of paper, and I combined with white and gold. White is my favorite color, and I hope you can see very good because it's too bright for the camera. But just for you to see, I use the scraps to just cover the sides. See, and this is the back. So there are 2 papers right here, okay, and then inside there are 4 cards, okay. Here are the envelopes, and I use the sets of recollections cards and envelopes, the small ones, okay. So here are 4 envelopes, and these are the cards. And as you can see, for the cards, they are super easy. You just cut a cardstock the size of the card and use any embossing folder. So I just used this one because it had a small design, so I could see right here. And I cut the design paper in 3 inches, and I had these greetings in my stash, and these are 2 punches that I use from my stash to make these flowers, and they are kind of flat. See, there are only 2 layers, and I use a sequin, so it's not too bulky, and it's great if you send it by mail. And then look at this, it's the same, but this is vellum. Can you see the difference? And this is regular paper. And as you can see, I just use different dies right here for the embellishments, and like these 2, they are different as well, but the paper is the same. I just cut 1 paper at 3 and then use 1 up here and 1 up here. That's why I use a little bit of this beautiful paper, but I love how they are finished. And now I'm going to show you the dies that I used, and this one is this right here, so beautiful. Then this one right here, the circle, is this one right here, looks like a doily. And then I use these ovals, and this is the small one, and it's this one right here. It has little hearts around, see. And for this one, I use the center of this die. So I kept the outside and only the center. I just glue it up here. So you can play with your dies if you already have some, or you can use any small die from your stash. But this is a very nice gift. So very easy to make. As I said, there is no need a tutorial for this one. The dimension of the box is 1/4 of an inch bigger than the envelope. For example, if your envelope is let's say 4 by 6, your size of the box is going to be 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. So that's how I did. And right here, the height of this box is 3/4 of an inch. and you can make it at 1 inch if you're going to put bigger embellishments. Okay, that's what I wanted to share with you, and I'm working on the tutorial of another project that I'm going to show you soon. And yeah, I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye.